Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Visitors in Melbourne shouldn't miss a chance to visit the cultural icon of Koorie Heritage Trust. The venue is home to a huge array of artifacts, memorabilia, artworks, and photographs dedicated to the Koorie culture and heritage of Australia. The Koorie Heritage Trust KHT is a standalone Australian First Peoples arts and cultural centre. It serves as a powerful space for both learning and reconciliation, deeply connected to the history and culture of the First Peoples of Southeast Australia. Come and explore this cultural icon in Melbourne and browse through the 20,000 artifacts and interactive permanent exhibits featuring the history of the Koorie people. The museum features real artworks and photographs of the Koorie people and showcases exhibits that represent the life of the Koorie people over the past 60,000 years. Founded in 1985, KHT works tirelessly to ensure the rich cultural heritage, history, and knowledge systems of Victorian First Peoples are valued, celebrated, and an active part of society, while also encouraging the next generation to engage with and sustain these vital traditions. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia series. Please do watch our other Federation Square series. Those interested in taking a tour can book ahead of time. The best part is you will be with a native Aboriginal guide who will provide a detailed and informative insight into the famous Koorie culture of Australia. History buffs will surely love learning more about the fascinating Koorie culture and their significant history. KHT offers a range of experiences, such as guided Aboriginal cultural walking tour. Led by a First Peoples guide, the tour provides a unique opportunity to touch and hold replica artifacts, including a possum skin cloak, clapsticks, and a spear thrower, while learning about their cultural significance. Guests are also welcome to participate in some of the interactive workshops. The Trust Library also features a range of excellent books and informative brochures, some dating back to early 1800s. KHT showcases an annual temporary exhibition program and exhibitions from its permanent collections. Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.